are discussing about water. Yes. Now we are going to discuss about water. But for whom children? In before class we have learned about uses of water. In second class we have learned how the animals use water. Now we are discussing about plants need water. The topic, plants need water. So I have taken two pots. Okay, two plants in that. So in first plot, see here, these brown dots are soil and blue color is water. Means it has plenty of water in the soil. So how the tree looks like? Yeah, tree look very green in color and it have flowers and it is growing healthily. Yes, but coming to the B picture, this is A and B. Now tell me what is the difference between these two pictures? Here brown color we have soil. Can you find here more water, children? I didn't pour any water to this. So I didn't pour the water. So how the tree became here? How the plant became here? You can see yellow color. So yellow color leaves. What is the meaning of yellow color leaves? Dried. So the leaves were dried. The plant became weak. It is ready to dry. Okay. Why it is ready to dry? What is the difference between this and this? Yes, tell me. Yeah, what happened? Think and tell me. What do you think? What do you think would happen to this plant? By comparing to that plant? Yeah, I didn't keep any water. Yes? Did I keep water to the children? Yeah, here I didn't keep water. So, here, what are the absence? Water is not there. No water. No water means what happens, children? Plants also take water to grow. Here water is there. For what purpose? To grow healthily. To grow healthy. But here is no water. Does it grow healthy? No. The leaves have dried up and they are not green in color. In which color it is? It is in yellowish color. That means the plant or the tree is not good. It is ready to dry and dried and it may die also. Okay, children, understood? For main purpose what we want here? We need water. Sorry, plants need water. What we can tell here? Plants need water to grow. For what is the water here? It is the food for the plant mainly. What is it? It is the food for the plant. So what we can tell here? Plants need water to make food. Leaf is the kitchen of the plant. Okay. In our home we have kitchen. Yes or no? Like I told you, this plant also have one kitchen. That are the leaves. But which color the leaves became? It became green to yellow color. If it is green only, it is good plant. It can make its own food. Can it paint now? It is yellow in color. Can it make? No, it cannot make. So, what we can tell here? Plant. Come right here. Plants need water to make food. Only food and to grow. Without water, we cannot. Okay. Mainly I have taken this in the pot. If it is in the forest, the soil will absorb the water when it comes rain. Yes or no? Our rain will fall on the ground. Isn't it? Did you see? Yes. Then where will go that water? That water will go underground. Okay, it goes down. So that water will absorb by the soil so that plants will grow. Okay, children, in the forest like that. But when we take in the pot, we should keep every day water to it. Okay, children. So what you have understood here? Mainly water is used for plants to make food and to grow. My last question: how do plants take in water? Now I told you. Tell me again. How do plants take water? The plants take water from the soil. This brown color is the soil. The water will absorb by the soil so that it enters into the stem. You know, parts of the tree, no? This is the stem. It takes from the the roots and it moves into the leaves, flowers, and leaves is the kitchen of the plant. It gives food for total plant. Okay children, now take your textbooks. Open textbook page number 126 children. Plants need water. Plants also need water to grow and live. Plants use water to make their food. We need to water plants to keep them healthy. See the picture. Plants need water. Okay? Open your volume. Yes children, did you open page number 22? Write the date. Plants need water. See the first one. Draw how this plant will look after a week if you forget to water it. Yes, if the plant have no water, then how it looks? Draw here and show me. Okay? See the second one. Why do we water the soil other sowing a seed or a baby plant? Why we are keeping water to the soil? What will happen to that seed? Write the reason. What will happen? Yeah, soil will absorb the water so that the seed becomes into a plant and it will grow. Yes or no children? Write that. Number 3. Why do we pour water on the soil and not to the leaves of the plant? Yes, when we are giving water to the plant, we won't pour on the top of the leaf. Why? We are pouring only to the pot. Why? Because soil absorbs the water and that water will, yes, what will happen? It will move into the stem so that it gives water to all parts of the plant. Okay? Write the reason children. I think you all know about this.